Good afternoon, gentlemen. It's Eddie on Davis Island. So this is your opening for the air handlers. I'm going to take your measurements now. So as you can see here, gentlemen, we need to mastic this up and seal it for them. Ductwork is in great shape. There's your unit 1 and unit 2. So as you can see, 1 unit, 2 unit, platform to work on both sides. So there you go, gentlemen. This is unit number 1. You have media filter. Replace the trays. And there's your disconnect box for unit 1. Disconnect box, unit 1. Turn around. There's unit 2 with the media filter also. So they're side by side. You have a platform here. There's your opening right over here.